Come on. Come on. Yo, this song is a vibe, man. To be honest, I was sleeping on this song. I won't lie to you, man. I was sleeping on this song. I know, well, I like the song, yeah, but like, honestly, this is entering even harder now. Whoa, 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 whoa. Pause on that, my guy. Hey. Yo, what's good, beautiful people? It's your boy, man, aka palmwinepapi. Welcome back again to the channel. I do a bunch of Afropop, Afrobeats reviews, so definitely stop by, check out the rest of the content here and on my other channel as well. Today, we're looking at Teni, back with another visuals of our debut album, Wonderland. This one is called Moslado, and word on the streets, and many people have said it already, that there is a remake to the actual original, so they're coming there with a change of a couple instrumentals and elements of the song. I'm curious how that one will land with me, because we're not only getting a visual for the song that we know already, but we're getting a tweak into the production, or maybe the arrangement of the song. I don't know. We'll see how that one goes. But yeah, without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get right into this one. This one is Teni, Moslado. Let's go. Oh shit. What's that team called? Something visuals. Let's go. Hey, Moslado, yeah. Hey, I love it. I love this fit. Hey. Okay, new guitars. Okay, let's go. What? Hey. Oh shit, this is sick. What's it called? There's a scene in an Eminem song when he's climbing off the wall dressed as Robin. I remember that video. Hey, yeah, this next level. Bro, this scene, what could this mean though? So they're pointing at her. She's obviously having, these are haters. This is supposed to be that she's a target, or she's getting ganked up, and she's still very much confident in the middle of all of that. I like how she has a red jacket on and it's just popping out there in the shot. This is interesting. Hey. She ended up killing all of them, man. Oh shit, Moslado. Hey, yo, I love this shot, man. Nah, this is sick. Hey, Moslado. Hey, come on. Yo, this song is a vibe, man. To be honest, I was sleeping on this song. I won't lie to you, man. I was sleeping on this song. I know, well, I like the song, yeah, but like, honestly, this is entering even harder now. Like, they've not done too much that is drastic so far. Very, very little tweaks on the guitar here and there. But it's still very much like the original. So far, at least. Now she's about to enter a ride. This one's Makanaki in the back. Oh shit, let's go. Hey. Yo, I love this futuristic graphics, man. Oh shit. Imagine Lego shopping like this, man. Yo, this is mad. Oh shit. Fast and Furious. Let's go. Yeah, this is the part. Hey, yeah, those guitars. Let's go. Hey, come on. More horns. Let's go. Hey, come on. Yo, the detail, the different scenes. You can tell a lot went into this video, man. Come on. Yo, this is sick. Yo, every scene is mad. Colorful, eccentric. You know what I mean? Like, it's just clean. This, bro, we were just in one scene and like, bro, this is a lot. Yo, they went extra mile, man. Look at the graffiti on that wall, like that backdrop. Yo, they went far, man. They went deep. They went deep. This is sick. That was sick. That was sick. Moslado. Oh no. Yeah, this is Missy. This is so Missy Elliott. Oh, that's sick. That's sick. That's sick. Hey. 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 Come on. Hey. The horns. They changed the horns. I like it. Hey. Hey. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, this is a record. This is a record, bro. Hey, hey, hey. I still haven't learned that dance yet, man. It's paining me. I haven't learned that dance yet. But yo, this is a vibe. This is a vibe. Director The Alien. Mad. I can't count how many scenes I saw in this video. There were a lot. The costumes, the backdrops, the CGI. There was definitely a lot going on. Level of detail here was next level, and you can tell the inspirations were like they were cut from Missy Elliott, Busta Rhymes, Eminem, like that early 2000s, Hype Williams type videos, you know, and I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it, man. I love Teni's team, and their creative direction is always. Yeah, it's always top notch with the visuals. You can tell the rollouts too. Honestly, one of my favorite rollouts this year. I said it before in the first album review, and they just keep following through with the visuals for each song. The one for Hustle was mad, and yeah, this is definitely another one to follow up that streak of amazing visuals around the songs, around the moments that Teni built on the songs, you know. And Moslado was definitely Moslado entered, like it hit different. Honestly, it hit different with this visual. I'm not gonna lie, Moslado definitely hit different with these visuals. Like I definitely was more turned. Like the energy was there. The energy behind the song was captured. She was dancing. The backup dancers were next level. Every scene it was so dynamic in the scenes. And I enjoyed it. Honestly, enjoyed it. I'm curious what you guys think about this song and this particular video and this particular video as well. Leave in the comment section. I've been your boy Mano, aka palmwinepapi. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Basikara.